This is one of the most secure factories in the United States.
Before a single dollar is created, security is already at maximum level.
Only authorized vehicles are allowed beyond this point. Every worker is verified multiple times before entering the production floor.
Every square meter is under constant observation.
Even empty materials are treated as high-value assets.
Multiple layers of protection operate at all times.
Beyond this point, only cleared personnel may pass. This is not just a factory, it is a federal fortress.
This is where America's money is born.
US dollars are not printed on ordinary paper.
This blend gives the dollar its unique strength and texture.
Security features are built into the paper itself. Watermarks become visible only when held to the light.
The paper is hardened before any ink is applied.
Even unprinted paper undergoes strict quality inspection. At this stage, the paper already has monetary value. Every sheet is tracked as federal inventory. From this moment, the paper is officially government-controlled property. Now the paper begins its journey to the printing floors.
Every US dollar begins as hand-engraved steel.
Each line is thinner than a human hair. One flaw can destroy an entire production batch.
This process allows the ink to sit below the paper surface.
These plates will strike millions of dollars per day. Alignment must be perfect across every color layer.
Every press is tuned before real money is printed.
Only approved plates are allowed into live production.
No defective currency ever leaves the building.
Now real money printing is ready to begin.
The first visible layer of a dollar is its background design.
Even background colors must match exact Treasury standards.
Thousands of sheets pass through these machines every hour.
Hidden patterns are designed to confuse counterfeiters. Human inspection verifies what machines can only measure. Some colors only reveal themselves under special light. Consistency across millions of bills is mandatory.
Any flaw means instant removal from production.
Only approved sheets move to the next printing stage. At every step, security never leaves the process.
This is where the raised texture of the dollar is created.
You can feel this texture with your fingertips.
Pressure accuracy defines the sharpness of every portrait.
This layer carries the face of American currency.
Even wet ink is treated as a security asset.
Every microscopic line must be perfect.
Live production is constantly matched against original standards.
No flawed dollar is allowed to survive.
These stacks now move deeper into the currency process.
At this stage, the paper already looks like money. Now the official identity of the dollar is added.
This ink formulation is unique to the U.S. government.
Alignment errors here are unacceptable.
This is the moment the dollar becomes an official instrument.
Every emblem must be crystal sharp.
Even shade deviations are grounds for rejection.
Digital eyes never blink.
Rejected currency is destroyed immediately.
The dollar now carries its visual authority.
From this point forward, every sheet is treated as live money.
This is where every dollar receives its unique identity.
No two dollars are ever the same after this step.
Even one misprint means instant rejection.
These numbers link every bill to federal records.
The system tracks every digit in real time.
Human eyes confirm what software detects. Errors never move forward in the money process.
From here, the currency is fully identifiable. At this stage, the sheets are treated as live currency. Millions of unique dollars are created here every day.
Yeah, flip.
Now every dollar is examined at machine speed.
Some security elements are invisible to the naked eye.
Even the way ink settles into the paper is verified. Algorithms flag flaws humans could miss.
The system removes imperfect currency instantly.
Every system decision is auditable.
Jag är 12 transparens.
Only flawless currency is allowed to continue. Security lives in details smaller than the eye can see. Even the inspection systems are constantly verified.
This is the final digital gatekeeper of U.S. money.
This is the moment when sheets become individual dollars.
Each cut must be exact to a fraction of a millimeter.
One misalignment can destroy thousands of dollars instantly. Precision defines the final physical form of money. Every dollar is counted the moment it is born.
No defective money ever leaves this room.
Tories. Now the currency exists as individual units.
Identity is verified again after separation.
From this point on, the currency is fully live.
This room turns printed paper into real money. Now every dollar is organized by value. Machines recognize the value of each bill instantly. Millions of dollars are counted every minute. Each bill is individually counted by machine. Once counted, the money is standardized for handling.
Redundant systems prevent any numerical error.
No stack advances without perfect numerical confirmation. Human verification backs up the digital count.
At this point, every bundle has an exact monetary identity.
This is where raw currency becomes organized capital.
Every bundle is sealed with federal identification. These bands certify both value and origin.
Each brick represents a precise monetary unit.
Packaging protects currency during transport and storage.
Each package is digitally tracked across the national system.
Every movement of money is traceable.
Now the currency is physically prepared for vault transport. These pallets may contain tens of millions in value.
No shipment moves without federal verification.
This is the final stage inside the printing facility.
Now the dollars enter the Federal Reserve System.
From here on, only armored transport is used.
Billions in currency move under constant protection. This is one of the most secure rooms in the financial world. Every pallet is logged into the National Reserve System.
From this moment, the dollars officially exist in circulation reserves.
This is where the nation's liquidity physically rests.
Once inside, the currency is guarded around the clock.
Every delivery adjusts the nation's available cash supply.
This is the final destination before the dollar enters public circulation.
Now the dollars leave the vault and enter the banking system.
Every seal is verified before access is granted.
This is where public circulation officially begins.
Every dollar entering a bank is digitally registered.
From this moment, the money becomes active circulation capital.
Banks prepare money for commercial distribution.
Every transfer happens under armed protection.
This is how money spreads across the financial network.
The dollars now move closer to the public. This is how liquidity is physically distributed.
This is where money enters everyday life.
These bills were in a federal vault just days ago. This is the final step of a long industrial journey.
From ATM to counter, money immediately begins circulating.
Every dollar now fuels the economy in real time.
Money constantly flows back into the banking system.
Not every dollar survives long in circulation.
Old money is removed and replaced by new supply.
The life cycle of money never pauses. Every transaction is powered by this invisible system.
This small piece of paper carries the weight of an entire economy. From factory to vault to wallet, every dollar follows a hidden path.
The most secure rooms on Earth connect directly to everyday life.
Every texture, number, and seal exists for a reason.
Money is not just printed. It is engineered, guarded, and controlled. Security at the source enables trust in the streets. The final destination of America's most complex product. Every dollar continues its journey through millions of hands.
And while the city sleeps, the next dollars are already being made.
This is the real process behind the money you use every day.